Psychology says, 10 signs appears when you both are thinking for each other. 1. Seeing their name everywhere, dreaming about them or running into them unexpectedly could be a sign of mutual thoughts. 2. If you suddenly think of someone, out of nowhere it could mean they're thinking of you too. 3. The best kind of love is when you feel your hearts are in sync, even when miles apart. 4. Some connections are so strong that even silence can't break them. 5. The moment you miss someone, they probably miss you too. 6. Soulmates don't just think of each other, they feel each other. 7. Every time you cross my mind, I smile. I don't need a reason to think of you. It just happens. 8. If you keep thinking of them, maybe destiny is telling you something. Some people enter your mind because they belong to your heart. 2 minds, 1 thought, 2 hearts, 1 beat. When you can feel their presence, in their absence you know the bond is real. When 2 souls are meant to connect, nothing can keep them apart. We were thinking of each other before we even met. If it's meant to be, the universe will keep bringing you together.